Hello, my gardening family. Welcome and welcome back to my garden. Welcome to all my new family. Thank you so much for coming on board. And thank you all so very much for the support. I am so delighted to be doing this video. I mean, my glad bag us. My glad bag is bursting. Yeah, I'm very happy. All right, guys. So this is actually my first time growing potatoes, Irish potatoes, as we call it here in Jamaica. This is, however, not my first attempt at trying them. I had my first attempt in recent weeks, but I was unsuccessful. It failed. Yeah. So I tried again, and now it's a success.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So these are my potatoes, my Irish potatoes, that is, as we call them here in Jamaica. So let me go closer. All right, so I had, yep, 1, 2, 3, and the 3 of them sprouted here. I had 3 near as well. Well, that is another one. So because I'm not sure if this one, I think this one is separate. Yeah, this one is separate. These two. So I can safely say that I had a 100% success rate where the sprouting is concerned. So the first set that I tried, they were this tiny. Yes, this small. They had eyes, but smaller compared to these. So I think maybe that was a factor. I am not sure. So what I did, I went ahead and I got me some bigger ones. It was a little challenge finding them, but eventually I stumbled upon some, and so I planted those, and like you have seen, they are coming up nicely. The 2 that I planted, I think one was like this size and one was a little bigger. What I did was to cut them in pieces, and I'm going to show you right now how I went about cutting them in pieces. As you can see, this one, it has several eyes on it. Several eyes on it. So I'm going to try to get 3 from this one. I could have planted this one already, but I am trying to do a succession planting so that I don't harvest all at once, and it can be a constant harvesting. So this is what I did. All right, most of the eyes for this one is up this side. So what I'm doing now is trying not to cut the eyes, but to get it in the half right here. Then I'm just going to slice this piece. Well, I'm going to slice all of it here. All right, so you see this part, it has a lot of eyes on here, and this part, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes on here. So I am going to plant these as is. Of course, I'm going to show you. And this one, it has a few eyes on here, but the main one is right here. I could cut this again. I'm going to cut it again. So this one has a bigger one, so I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to put this one in nevertheless. So of course, I am hoping for another success. Of course, I can always try again because, like I said, my first attempt was a failure. My second attempt was a plus. So then when this one becomes successful, then I will know that the first attempt, those ones that I used were too tiny, and I believe maybe the eyes were not big enough. All right, so Just wake up the soil a little. Wake it up a little. I'm just separating. I want to get them in the middle right here. See all those wiggly worms, guys? I don't want to hurt them. I don't want to hurt them. Alright, so this is how I'm putting them inside. The eyes upward. I'll put this one right here. This one over here. This one right here. I'm gonna turn this around. And this one with less eyes, let's put it right there. So now I'm just going to cover them with the soil. Like that. Pat it a little, just a little pat. Not too much that it can't breathe. So now I'm just going to water them in. Alright, so for these ones over here, I am going to hill them. By that, I am going to add soil to them. So as they grow, I will continue to hill them. Tell me, are you growing, planning, or aspiring to grow potatoes? Irish potatoes, that is. Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.